see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I can see you in the eyes of my very best friends. I see you in these bonds, just like your love that never ends. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you with the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you with the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I pray. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord.
Good day, everyone! This is Ma'am Glendale for another TLE Carpentry Exploratory lesson, which is all about the systems of measurements, specifically the metric system of measurement. Listen, participate, and enjoy. I have here a video clip. Do you know him? That's right, he is Mr. Bean, a famous comedian. Can you tell me what he was doing? Correct. Mr. Bean wished to make a new window. How do you know it? Good observation. Now, can you tell me how Mr. Bean measured the dimensions of his window? Did he use a measuring tool? Very good. Mr. Bean only used his body parts as his tool in measuring his old window. Now, what do you think will happen on the new window Mr. Bean was about to make? How about you? Have you tried to measure the length of an object using your body parts? What body parts have you used? Good. I know as a kid, all of us have tried this. Just like in our sample photos, I know you have tried this. Let us try it once more. Our activity is called My Body, My Tool. You are divided into 5 groups, and because we are 50 in total, each group will consist of 10 members. The group will measure an object using one body part. Every member will write his or her measurement on the provided cartolina. The group is given 5 minutes to finish the task. Afterwards, we will check your work. Ready? Group 1 will use finger span. Group 2 will use thumb. Group 3 will use foot. Group 4 will use elbow to tip of the middle finger. And Group 5 will use arm span. For the object to measure, Group 1 will measure the length of the teacher's table. Group 2 will measure the length of the pencil case. Group 3 will measure the length of the classroom. Group 4 will measure the length of the blackboard. And also Group 5 will measure the length of the blackboard. So here's the output of Group 1. Good. Group 2, also good. Group 3, good as well. Group 4, nice. For Group 5, good. A round of applause for everyone. Now, I want you to look at your outputs and observe carefully. What are your observations? Good observation. Even though you use the same body parts as your measuring tool, you came up having different measurements. Why is this so? Yes, as you noticed, we are different in sizes, right? Some of your Okay. Long time ago, human body parts had played a vital role in measuring. You see, our ancestors already gave value to measuring and calculation. Meaning, long time ago, math had already been existing. And their tools, rulers and other measuring tools were not yet invented. So, they used their body parts as their tools. And because of the differences in body sizes, the variation of the measurement had become the problem. This problem taught human race to value standard and accuracy. Why do we need to have a standard measurement? Correct. And also to avoid abuses, especially with those who have longer or bigger body sizes. So just like buying something from the store, say you're buying a fabric for your school uniform, the sales lady just don't cut it away, right? She will measure it first using her meter stick. Another example is when you buy rice from the store. Exactly right. To avoid variations in giving measurements, these two systems of measurement were made. The English system, which was originated in England and also known as the U.S. customary system of measurement, and the metric system, which was developed in France and is known as the SI or International Standard. Both are still used today, and the system used depends on the countries you are in. Here in the Philippines, we use both systems. Here are some of the units of measurement in English and metric system. Have you heard of foot, inch, yard, and miles? They belong to English system, while meter, kilometer, decameter, and centimeter all belong to metric system. Why do we need to tackle this lesson in TLE? Well, carpenters are expert trades whose primary work is to perform cutting, shaping, measuring, and calculating. They are also in charge on the establishment of the buildings. During the construction of structures, a carpenter uses a tool to measure and calculate. Some of the tools include meter stick, tape measure, ruler, and the like. Carpenters must not only be expert in cutting, but should also be expert in calculating, including the conversion of units of measurement. Now, kindly read our objective for today. Going back to the two systems of measurement, what have you observed? Very well said. Now, there are three ways in conversion of units: the metric to metric system, the English to English system, and the metric to English system and vice versa. But our focus today will be on the metric to metric conversion of units. Take note, this skill is important to know not just for the carpenters, but for everyone. So listen carefully. So I have here a sample equation. First, you will make a metric conversion ruler. This ruler is applicable in all metric system units. The sample ruler in front of you is applicable for units of measurement ending in meter. You can also do this ruler for gram. Just change meter to gram. So you will have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. A ruler, make a horizontal line or sideward line. Then draw 7 vertical lines below or 7 downward lines. Then label each downward line starting km meaning kilometer, hm or hectometer, DAM or decameter, M for meter, DM for decimeter, cm for centimeter, and mm for millimeter. Metric conversion is very easy, I promise. You just need to know how to count jumps. and you just have to master where your left and right directions are. Now let's try to answer this one. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Step 1. Count the jumps from kilometer to meter. Great! To what direction? Very good. After counting the jumps, go back to the equation and find the decimal point. The given here is 1. Where is the decimal point? Very good. If in the given there is no decimal point, automatic this decimal point is placed after the number. Why is it important to look for the decimal point? Well, decimal point is important because it is where we will start our jumps. Here it is. Observe carefully. Take a look at the decimal point. What happened to the point? Very good. Then just add zeros to the vacant curves. And that's it. We have converted 1 kilometer to meter, meaning 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Did you get it? What if we reverse the equation? This time, 1,000 meters is equal to how many kilometers? Of course, we will use our metric ruler. Now, starting from the meter, because the given is in the meter going to kilometer, let us count. Good. To what direction? Correct. Now, the next step is to look for the decimal point in the given. Where is the decimal point? That's right. Now, starting from the decimal point, going to the left, jump 3 times. Transfer the decimal point, and that's it. We have the answer. So the answer is 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Easy, right? Now, try to answer these exercises. Perfect! You got it all right. Since you have already mastered the conversion of metric unit of measurement, let's have an application. For the application, Group 1, you will measure the length of your dining table in centimeter, then convert it to meter. Group 2, you will have a role play. Your mother or father asked you to buy shampoo. Count the distance of your home to the store in meters and convert it to hectometer. For Group 3, draw a map from your school to your house. Estimate its distance in kilometer and convert it to meter. For Group number 4 and 5, answer the problem solving and show your solution. So you will convert 160 meter into decimeter and 3,500 centimeter into meter. Refer your performance to the rubrics. For the evaluation, you are to convert the following linear measurements to its equivalent unit. Show your solution. Number 1, 20 meter is equal to blank centimeter. 2, 800 centimeter is equal to blank decimeter. 3, 300 decimeter is equal to blank meter. 4, 2 kilometer is equal to blank hectometer. 5, 18 hectometer is equal to blank millimeter. Wow! Well done, students! For your assignment, have an advanced study on how to convert English to English system of measurement. Thank you for listening and see you again next time. Bye!